I came from Mother Earth, so I'm plant-based. Pretty face with a big waist. Save my seeds so I'll grow, I can't waste. I love the natural hair, take out the lace. I'm organic from the sun, I have love for the human race. Everything carries energy, so I'm plant-based. I say my things before I eat. I remember I used to eat meat, then I got grounded and soul hit my feet. I had deja vu, I played this simulation to repeat. I started living plant-based, all the bumps got off my face. Vision got clear, I let an animal eat me in the dirt. I make my food feel safe and accept the fate that I would like its energy because I'm plant-based. Plants vibrate too, I let them know their importance to display my gratitude. I asked rejects while eating orange, I saw my chocolate floors while eating blueberry cheesy porridge. I came from Mother Earth, so I'm plant-faced. Any face with a big waist. I say my sins so I can't wait. I remember talking to the divine how power and creation is. My body's a temple, I love doing my body, make my smile have dimples. I remember when I used to hoop, I remember how I broke that animal eating root. I respect my origins, I remain true, I still eat honey on the occasion. I don't chew because life is eternal, I'm popping off the beat like popcorn kernels. I honor my being in collective conscious, animals, bugs, every life form. I eat electric foods with no additives, so I feel reborn. I came from Mother Earth, so I'm plant-based. My ancestors learned how to articulate and cultivate. Agriculture and farming is the new way. I went to a farmer's market just yesterday, bought the less fortunate, healthy, balanced place to allow them to elevate. I replace my cells with plants. I respect the little life of nature, even the ants. You can be plant-based or whatever you want. It ain't no such thing as I can't. Leave the caring and loving animals alone. Why you think you eating aborted children in the form of a burger? Make you heavy and fear prone. Wake up, stop being a drone. We all one collective consciousness. There's no need to go through anything alone. Just start new, give it a try. Put down the provolone. All this processed sugar and processed meat. When I drop this track, all the major food companies gonna get spiritually choked with defeat. I'm winning so much, I feel rich and alive. I ate 3 apples back to back like Jordan on 3 P.